What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. Today I wanted to go over some of the things I do not like about the Beats Solo Pros. Let's get started. So the first thing I want to talk about is how dirty this headphone gets in a very short period of time. So I don't know if you can see up here. I just cleaned this headphone and it already still has issues, and it has, it has dirt marks and sweat stains from when I work out. And I'm very sure I'm not the only one that has this issue. I believe this has been a common issue throughout the Beats Solo Pros community. I got a few comments telling me that it's very easy to get dirty, and I'm glad I'm not the only one, because it's just, I get that this is part of the matte finish with this headphone, and this is because it is matte paint, so it does get dirtier quickly, but I feel like they need to improve on that one way or another. Another thing I did not like about this headphone is the fact that it's turned on based on you folding out the ear pads, the ear cups. So if you want to shut it off, as you know, you do this, but if you want to turn it back on, you have to do that. And there's no longer a physical button the way that there was on the Solo 3s. I don't like that, for the reason being that a lot of the times I like to keep my headphone up on this headphone stand that I'm showing you right here. And when the headphone is open like this, it's turned on. And that's the issue that I have with this, because if I want to keep it unfolded, it stays powered on unless I physically turn it off, which Apple made it more difficult. Now that Apple owns Beats, I feel like now with every headphone they're going to come out with, they're going to keep decreasing in the buttons and functions, the physical functions of the headphone. And that's what I'm worried about, because Apple already does this with the Apple iPhone. So I hope they stop taking away buttons that could be useful to users like myself and hopefully you. And they continue making it easy for the user like myself to turn it off and on without just opening it and unfolding it and folding it back again. Finally, the last thing I want to mention is the buttons to the side of the ear cups that control the volume control and the pause button. If you press these to the side a little bit, for me at least, they don't respond at times. And that is another issue I have with these headphones, is unless you directly press exactly where it is, like I am now, it's not going to respond. And sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't, but it's very finicky. So unless you press directly in the middle of where that button is, it's not going to recognize it. So I think they need to improve on that as well. Other than that, it's been a great headphone for me. I will be posting a video about what I like about these headphones, and hopefully you'll enjoy that. Now, these were my personal opinions about what I don't like. If you have, your set of opinions about what you don't like, or if you thought I was wrong, leave a comment below and let me know. Thank you for watching. Take care.